Okay, well, as we head on into the evening, skies will be continuing to clear for us. We have just a few clouds in place right now, but really not going to see much more throughout the night or either into tomorrow, which look to be very sunny for us. But a major difference this evening was probably going to be the cooler area. You'll notice it a lot more comfortable to try to sleep as we head on into the evening. But a look back at yesterday, our numbers topped off in the 80s at 85. Our low was at 64 degrees yesterday morning. Now, both of those numbers about a good 10 degrees above where they should be for this time of the year. But today, things began to change for us. 75 for your high in Marquette, 79 in Iron Mountain, more the middle 70s in Munising and Manistee, and barely getting to 80 down in Escanaba. So a lot cooler across the region, and winds are beginning to weaken for us, only at 3 in Marquette, 9 in Munising, 8 in Iron Mountain, and over in Ironwood. Oh, it's at 15 miles per hour at the moment, but that should continue to weaken as we head throughout the night. We'll see them anywhere between 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the northwest. Well, on into our evening, skies will pretty much clear for us, and those comfortable conditions will be back in place. Now tomorrow looks to be sunny and pleasant with high pressure in full control of the region. A nice weather day ahead for us also as we go on into Sunday, as temperatures, well, they'll make their way once again into the 70s, and we'll keep plenty of sunshine and that humidity on the low side. But getting into next week, there will be some changes, slight changes though, not expecting any of that extreme or intense heat to find its way back in across the UP. But let's go ahead and take a look at what's happening right now. Cold front continues to sweep its way off towards the south and to the east. You can see right here across the western portions of the Great Lakes, that comfortable air mass really starting to take a firm hold on the region. For tomorrow, the cold front should be working its way across the northeastern states. Well, we'll be actually quieting down, keeping more of that comfortable air mass in place, and temperatures right around those mid, maybe even upper 70s for afternoon highs. By the time we start off next work week, the jet stream does try to work its way a little farther to the north, so that will allow some warming to occur for us as we head on into Monday, maybe even perhaps Tuesday, but also we'll have to watch out for our next system as we head on into next week. Right now, it looks to be just north of the region, but that could work its way a little farther to the south, and we could be watching out for rain chances, but for right now, probably going to be expecting more just the clouds as we head on into next Tuesday and Wednesday. Your Futurecast model this evening, very quiet conditions in place, high pressure keeping the region very clear. Lots of sunshine on the way for us tomorrow, very clear for tomorrow night, and not much really changing into Sunday. Maybe a few passing clouds for us, but even then they shouldn't be there for long. We'll see the sunshine make its way back into the region by Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening, and watching out for more of that on into Monday. For tonight, we'll dip down to 56, a much cooler evening with winds out of the northwest between 5 to 10 miles per hour. And a beautiful day as we head on into Saturday with winds out of the northwest, probably picking up just a tad up to 15 miles per hour in some locations. But here, look at your high temperatures, mostly in the lower 70s as you head right along Lake Superior. 72 in Ontonagon, 73 in Houghton, while in the lower 70s in Marquette and in Munising. Lawrence will top off at 73. Upper 70s on the way heading into Escanaba and Manistee. Iron Mountain, we'll top off at 80 degrees, expecting more of the same into Florence and also in Crystal Falls, so a little warmer heading farther to the south. But either way, it should be a fantastic afternoon for any outdoor plans, as we'll have low humidity and plenty of sunshine. Sunrise tomorrow morning right around 6:38 a.m. Now for a look at your 7-day forecast, here we are right here. 70 Saturday and Sunday, getting into the 80s, but just barely as we head into Monday. And we'll top off at 81 heading into Tuesday. Now, you'll see that numbers will go kind of back and forth as we head into the mid and latter portions of next week. But either way, we won't have to deal with any of that extreme heat. Once again, there is a slight chance that we might have to deal with some rain as we go on into next week sometime. But for right now, I'm just calling for partly cloudy conditions. And over the weekend, I'm not expecting any bad weather to be in place at all. So try to get out and enjoy it and really have a fun time over the next Saturday and Sunday.